Let me show you how to open a Opay account in Nigeria. Now this is a quite simple process, and all you want to do is download the Opay application onto your device, and once you open up the application you may come across a similar interface. All you want to do is head over to the sign up option on the bottom, or if you don't see that, tap on login on the top, and right here you can see the option which says click here to get one. You can simply tap on it, and the first thing that it is going to ask you to enter in a valid phone number, so make sure you do that. And in the next step it is going to give you a OTP or send you a OTP on the mobile number that you just added in. Once you add in the OTP, you need to create a secure password, which is a 6-digit login password and a 4-digit transaction pin as well. Once that step is complete, you need to provide your details, which is going to be your legal name, which should match the ID that you're trying to provide, as well as gender, as well as date of birth. Once everything is done, you need to complete your KYC by providing your bank verification number, which is the BVN, or the NIN, which is the national identification number. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.